Oh my god, I have to screenshot this. Oh my god, so I was talking to Miguel yesterday and he sent me this.
Did you really?
You should totally blow that pic up.
I can't.
Do you really like him?
I don't know.
Well, if you don't know, then why do you care? He probably sends these to all the girls.
You're right. I'll send it. Ooh.
Oh shoot, here comes Miguel.
Damn, he looks pissed. I'm up.
What the hell, Shadania?
But
Why'd you expose me like that?
it's cool. Stop being such a baby about it. If anything, you probably got more attention because of I posted it.
For what? Betraying my trust?
Come on, Miguel. Get over it.
Is she gonna walk away?
Yep.
All right, listen up, you guys. I have an announcement. It's pretty serious. Just last night, Miguel tried to take his own life. Yeah, for real.
Nah, for real.
No, seriously, guys. He is in the hospital currently getting well.
Nah, don't be fucking with
I'm not messing with you, man. This is what cyberbullying does. And not only that, he's had a lot of challenges at home. So we really want to wish him a speedy recovery. I'd like you all to take out a piece of paper and write a get well letter to my friend Miguel.
For sure.
All right, thank you.
Miguel, I am so sorry for posting the picture that I did. It was cruel and irresponsible. I didn't take into consideration your feelings or the consequences that would follow. I just wasn't thinking. I had no idea you were having such a hard time. Everyone at school wishes you well and looks forward to having you back.
When we make poor choices on social media, you have to remember they can always be screenshotted and viewed as many times as possible. This can create problems and even hurt people.
I am unique.
I am happy. I am strong.
I am happy.
I am exquisite.
I am powerful.
I am honest.
I am kind.
I am adventurous.
I am sincere.
I am brave. I am blessed.